Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help you work through the Schema Therapy Questionnaire. What is a Schema Therapy Questionnaire? Schemas refer to fundamental beliefs or narratives that individuals form about themselves and others within relationships. By gaining insight into the schemas, mental healthcare professionals can better identify underlying needs and the childhood experiences that shape the individual. Therapists can effectively implement suitable interventions and encourage positive transformations. Various techniques, such as the Young Parenting Inventory and the Young Schema Questionnaire, are common tools used and can measure the presence and intensity of schemas. The information within the questionnaires can be used for therapy to promote positive change and more stable mental health. As a result, it is commonly used by psychologists, therapists, and counsellors. Here's how to use a Schema Therapy Questionnaire. The first step is to fill out the patient information and distribute the questionnaire to them. The patient will then rate each statement 1 through 6 and incorporate results within treatment. Do your sample template of the Schema Therapy Questionnaire. Go to carepatron.com where you can download the questionnaire for free. You can also access the questionnaire through the Carepatron platform. Filter within the community section and type in the keyword to find a note. You can also edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron if you want to view more healthcare videos.